Okay, so now, oh, maybe I want to use this. Okay, so at Goodwill, I found these little Rolodex card. It's like a translucent, I don't know, it's for holding Rolodex cards. And I have this blue index card, and I thought it looked really neat putting it in there and like writing information on it. So I'm not really sure where I want to put it. Maybe up here. We'll see if I forget to talk out loud because I'm thinking. So if I'm quiet, nothing's wrong with the video. I'm just thinking. So what are your favorite art journaling supplies? Whether ones that you have and they're tried and true, or ones that you're hoping to get and use this year? So I just glued that down, and now I have this index card that I can, write on or something. I have these vintage decoupage flowers that I want to use that I think are really pretty. So I'm going to use the pansy. I'm going to try to watch a lot of art journaling videos this year because I want to incorporate more art journaling techniques into my junk journaling. Let's see here. I don't think I'm going to write on this yet because I'm not sure exactly what to say. But that's going to go there. All right, so I don't know if there's anything else I really want to do. Let's see, I have a little bit of washi tape here. I thought about adding a couple bits and pieces. Just because. I'm not very good with the layering. I stopped too soon. It's okay though. It's about experimenting. It's about having fun. Here's some orange chevron. Just kind of build that up too. I think that would be fun. And maybe even one of the green squares up at top. I like that. All right, and so then I can journal something in there when I'm ready to write something. And I know there's more that can be added here, but this is where I'm going to stop for this video. We may come back and do more because I don't think art journaling has to necessarily go perfectly in order. I think that it can, you can go back and add stuff, and I think that's really neat. So let's go back to the cover and add a little bit of Mod Podge because I did notice it was coming up a little bit. So I'm just going to paint some Mod Podge over this and then be done for now so that this can dry and I don't have to worry about it coming up. All right, and then down here where my name is, the cover you definitely, would want to be durable. See, this is already coming way up. And I think it doesn't like to stick to the textured book. The book almost has like a little bit of a coating to it. And I think that the glue stick really wasn't strong enough to hold to that. All right, so I hope that all of you enjoy this and that you can either purchase the last book I have available, well, if it's still available, because this video is being recorded on Sunday and probably will go live on Tuesday, is my guess, because I have the Junk Trunk kit from Jessica, that video tomorrow. Anyway, this is probably going to go live Tuesday, and so I do not know if that will still be available, but you can check the link below. And if not, then pretty much any book that you want. Try to choose one that's fairly sturdy and that you think will hold up to adding stuff to. We're going to try to not put anything too bulky on the inside, but, you know, as a junk journaler, I don't think I can keep to that resolution. And I think this is pretty strong. We can always reinforce the spine if we need to. We can always add a closure if it gets chunked up too much. So please join my Facebook group, Nevermore Creations, Junk Journals, and Friends. And let me flip over the video. So how do I do that again? One-handedly. I can't. Okay. I was going to flip it over so you could see. Whoa, I'm like making you dizzy. So you could see my baby. I don't know if you can see him. Say hi. Anyway, I don't know if you saw him or not. My camera's acting weird and I'm one-handed. Anyway, so join my Facebook group and post pictures of the book that you're going to be using for the art journaling challenge that I'm doing this year. And post pictures of your pages and what you've worked on. I'd love to see them. I'd love to learn from all of you because I'm new to this. So have a lovely 2018, and we'll get into the next video on this shortly.